With AI School, you can create images in a targeted way and refine them step by step using helpful annotations. Click the Text to Image button below the input field on the dashboard to get started. Here you can select additional options, such as your preferred colors, style, and aspect ratio. Next, enter your prompt in the input field and wait for the first version of your image to be created. Click the Annotations button in the bottom right, then click on the image to specify targeted changes, such as adding fighter jets. AI School will generate a new version of the image incorporating your annotations perfectly. That is how you step-by-step create targeted, custom images for your lessons in AI School. Want to start creating targeted images? Check out the AI School manual to get started right away.